It's been almost a year since the James Webb Space Telescope became fully operational on July 11, 2022. Since then, it has sent back some stunning images. For example, it captured a near-cam image of the Carina Nebula, revealing countless stars being formed, which were invisible to other telescopes. There's also an eerie image of the pillars of creation taken by the telescope's mid-infrared instrument. Apart from these jaw-dropping images, the main objective of the James Webb Space Telescope is to help scientists learn more about the origin of the universe. It focuses on studying the first galaxies that formed in the early universe. With its powerful infrared gaze, what has the telescope discovered recently? Are we getting closer to understanding the universe and our origins? Get ready to find out and see incredible images, including objects in our solar system like you've never seen them before. The James Webb Space Telescope's main objective is to explore the earliest galaxies that formed after the Big Bang. Its first image revealed the farthest point in both time and distance, providing a detailed view of the early universe. The telescope specializes in imaging in infrared light, which allows it to see back in time up to 13.5 billion years ago. By measuring the redshift of light from distant objects, astronomers can determine their age and distance. The JWST can essentially see back to within a few hundred million years after the Big Bang, getting remarkably close to the universe's birth. Shortly after becoming operational, the telescope surprised astronomers by spotting 6 massive galaxies that existed between 500 and 700 million years after the Big Bang. These galaxies were more developed and mature than expected, challenging current models of early galaxy formation. The powerful cameras on the $10 billion Space Observatory made an incredible discovery: the earliest known black hole in the universe. This supermassive black hole is a whopping 10 million times heavier than our Sun and sits at the center of a young galaxy that formed just 570 million years after the universe began. This cosmic monster might just be one of many giant black holes that grew during the cosmic dawn, around 100 million years after the Big Bang, when the universe was glowing for a billion years. Although it's the first one discovered within the redshift spectrum that the Webb telescope can see, scientists believe there are many more of these huge black holes out there. As astronomers look deeper into the universe, they intercept light from more distant objects, allowing them to peer further back in time. This opens up a whole new realm of possibilities for understanding the universe's early stages. So, what's the oldest galaxy we've seen, and what lies on the edge of the observable universe? Well, the James Webb Space Telescope has revealed some mind-blowing discoveries. One of the galaxies it imaged, named Kias 93316, formed just 235 million years after the Big Bang, making it the oldest galaxy ever seen by humanity. Even though it might not look impressive in the image, remember that this galaxy is an astounding 35 billion light-years away. The telescope has also captured 5 galaxies in Stephan's quintet, with 4 of them engaged in a cosmic gravitational dance, pulling and stretching each other apart. But that's not all. The Webb telescope also revealed warped galaxies due to gravitational lensing. One example was a cluster of galaxies about 6.3 billion light-years away, causing space to warp and magnify distant objects. Recently, it captured an awe-inspiring collision of 2 galaxies, called ARP 2020, located 250 million light-years away. The bright, star-like object in the image shines as brightly as 1 trillion suns, an enormous explosion of new stars resulting from this colossal collision. And here's a fun fact: a similar collision awaits our Milky Way and the Andromeda Galaxy, but it won't happen for another 4 billion years. So, no need to worry about that just yet. The James Webb Space Telescope continues to unveil the wonders of the cosmos, and there's much more to come. Let's talk about some amazing discoveries made by the James Webb Space Telescope in our own solar system. The telescope captured stunning images of planets like Jupiter and Neptune in infrared light. It revealed details that the Hubble telescope couldn't see, like a faint ring around Jupiter and dust rings around Neptune. In fact, the James Webb Space Telescope even took the clearest image ever of Uranus, showing 11 of its 13 rings and its northern pole. Uranus is unique because it rotates on its side at a 90-degree angle from its orbit. Apart from beautiful images, the telescope is equipped to search for atmospheres on distant planets. For example, it observed a hot gas giant called WASP 96b about 1150 light-years away, finding signs of water and indications of haze and clouds. Although no signs of life were discovered, the presence of water raises possibilities. More recently, the telescope found a planet, LHS 475b, about 40 light-years away, nearly the size of Earth. Scientists are hopeful that with the JWST's abilities to find more planets and analyze their atmospheres, we may be closer than ever to discovering life or even another civilization on a distant planet.